Hello, I am Mr. Kadganchi from Siddheshwar Prashala, Solapur. Today we are going to see the standard 10th Maths 1 chapter number 2, that is quadratic equation. From this quadratic equation we have studied the practice set 2.1, practice set 2.2, practice set 2.3 also we have studied. Now we are going to see for the practice set 2.4, that is by using the formula solving the quadratic equation. Now this formula, what it is, let us see. We know the general formula general form of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. By completing the square, by that method if we will solve, we will get the roots of this quadratic equation, that is x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. That means x is equal to minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, or x is equal to minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. By putting the value of a, b and c, we will get the roots of the given equation. Now by using this, here again one thing, now here for this we can write it as an alpha is equal to minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, or beta is equal to minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. These are the roots of this quadratic equation, and it is a formula. By using this formula, we are going to solve the practice set 2.4. Now we are going to see the practice set 2.4. From that, question number 1, compare the given quadratic equation to the general form and write the value of a, b, c. Now here 3 examples are there. From that 3 examples, first and third example we are solving. Second one, it is an homework for you. Now question, x square minus 7x plus 5 is equal to 0. Compare the equation with general form, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 7, c is equal to 5. Now third example, write it in the general form first, that is y square minus 7y plus 0 is equal to 0. Compare the equation with the general form, that is ay square plus by plus c is equal to 0. Therefore a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 7, c is equal to 0. Now question number 2, solve using the formula. First one, x square plus 6x plus 5 is equal to 0. This equation we are going to compare with, that is comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 6 and c is equal to 5. Now we know the formula, that is x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Therefore x is equal to minus b value is in a 6 plus or minus under root b value is in a 6 square minus 4 into a is 1 into c is 5 upon 2 A value is 1, which is equal to minus 6 plus or minus under root b square, that is 6 square means 36, minus 4 5s are 20 upon 2. Therefore x is equal to minus 6 plus or minus under root 36 minus 20, that is 16 upon 2. Therefore x is equal to minus 6 plus or minus 4 upon 2. Square root of 16 is enough 4. X is equal to minus 6 plus 4 upon 2, or x is equal to minus 6 minus 4 upon 2. Therefore x is equal to minus 6 plus 4 separated but keep the greater number sign, that is minus 2 upon 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, x is equal to minus 1, or x is equal to minus 6 minus 4, add it but keep the negative sign, that is minus 10 upon 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. Therefore x is equal to minus 5. Minus 1 and minus 5 are the root of given quadratic equation. Third example, 3m square plus 2m minus 7 is equal to 0. Comparing equation with general form, that is am square plus bm plus c is equal to 0, where a is equal to 3, b is equal to 2, c is equal to minus 7. Therefore m is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. M is equal to b value is in 2 plus or minus under root 2 square minus 4 into a is 3, c is minus 7 upon 2 into a is 3. M is equal to minus 2 plus or minus under root 2 square is in 4 minus 4 3, here minus into minus it will become plus, 4 3s are 12, 12 7s are 84 upon 6. Therefore m is equal to minus 2 plus or minus under root 4 plus 84, that is an 88 upon 6. Therefore m is equal to minus 2 plus or minus under root 4 into 22, that is an 88 upon 6. Therefore m is equal to minus 2 plus or minus square root of 4 is an 2 under root 22 upon 6. Therefore m is equal to 2 common inside the bracket minus 1 plus or minus under root 22 upon 6. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. Therefore m is equal to minus 1 plus under root 22 upon 3, or m is equal to minus 1 minus under root 22 upon 3. Therefore minus 1 plus under root 22 upon 3 and minus 1 minus under root 22 upon 3 are the roots of given quadratic equation. Now fifth example, y square plus 1 upon 3y is equal to 2. Here the denominator 3 is there. So we are going to multiply both the side by 3 to the given equation, that is multiply both side by 3. So we'll get that 3y square plus y is equal to 6. So 3y square plus y minus 6 is equal to 0. Comparing equation with a general form, that is an ay square plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a is equal to 3, b is equal to 1 and c is equal to minus 6. Therefore the roots of this is y is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now put the values. Y is equal to minus b value is 1 plus or minus under root 1 square minus 4 into a value is 3 into c value is minus 6 upon 2 into a is 3. Therefore y is equal to minus 1 plus or minus under root 1 square is 1 minus into minus, that is a plus. So 4 3 is 12, 12 6 is 72 upon 6. So y is equal to minus 1 plus or minus under root 73 upon 6. Therefore y is equal to, here we are not able to get the square root of 73, so minus 1 plus under root 73 upon 6, or y is equal to minus 1 minus 7 under root 73 upon 6. Therefore minus 1 plus under root 73 upon 6 and minus 1 minus under root 73 upon 6 are the roots of given quadratic equation. Now here the chapter is completed, exercise is completed. Now after each and every example you can remove the screenshot, and if you like the video, you subscribe the videos.